Today I'm plumbing the fuel system for the 58 Chevy. If you do this on your own and you're using the PTFE-Lined fuel lines, make sure you get the fittings made for the PTFE-Lined hose. I've got aluminum vice jaws that are magnetic. I'll be using those. Measure the length of fuel line that you need. I've already taped this one in the right general area. Mark it. This is the hose cutter I'm going to be using to cut the line with. Cut it straight. See, my cutter squishes the end of the hose. I like to take a tapered punch and round it back out. Disassemble the new fitting. Carefully remove the tape. Install the nut on the hose. Put the fitting in the vise. Put the hose all the way on the fitting. Slide the nut down and tighten. I've got a plug and an adapter so that I can plug off the end of my hose and connect it to my air compressor. That way I'll know it can hold 125 psi. It's only got to hold 58 in the vehicle. Now with the fittings connected and the end plugged up, I can just hook up the hose. Not hissing is a good sign. It's also not a bad idea to spray it down with some soapy water and look for bubbles that get bigger. If I spray it too much on my air compressor is going to blow bubbles. Here's what my air compressor leak looks like. As long as you don't see anything anywhere near that on your lines, you're good. Leaking fitting at the compressor.